I, R.K. Lakshmi Devi, General Secretary of Naikamba Punbamarapai Bilu, Kakching district. Today, here we are sitting the sit-in protest against the brutal killing of Mayang Lamba Rishikanta on 21 of January by armed militants. In the intervening night of 21 January to 22 of January, a video was gone viral showing the brutal killing of Mayang Lamba Rishikanta on social medias. More than 40,000 security personnel are deployed in Manipur by the central government, but in the presence of these 40,000 central forces, armed militants are moving freely and receives many threats by the armed militants to the general public and laymen till death. So, regarding the issues and the death of this innocent person, Mayang Lamba Rishikanta, we, the Mayra Paivis and clubs of Kakching district, would like to request to the government of India that to immediately stop this act of terrorism and hidden policies and spreading of bloodsheds and hatreds among the communities living in the state of Manipur. And lastly, we would like to request to the government of India to stop supporting the armed militants and to remove buffer zones from the state of Manipur and to bring out the culprit and give necessary against the culprit.